Hey, welcome to our Json course where we're going to be introducing you to the fundamental concepts of Json and how you can use it within your web applications via JavaScript, extracting out the data that's contained within the JSON object and use it within your web applications.
This video is brought to you by Appy's Academy.
My name is Lawrence. I'm going to be your instructor for this course. I come to you with many years of web development experience and I'm ready to help you learn more. We've got a number of exercises and all of the lessons as well have source code included. I do suggest that you try the code out for yourself to get more familiar with how JSON works and what JSON is. And by the end of the course, we're going to be accessing the random user API, which has a lot of nice rich JSON data. And then we're going to be outputting the contents contained within that API and outputting all of the thumbnails within our web application. And all of this accessing the JSON data, how to output it on the web page, all of this is going to be included within the upcoming lessons. And as well, again, source code is included. Please remember that JavaScript is a prerequisite to this course. So make sure that you do have JavaScript experience as we are going into the course, diving right into the coding and focusing on JSON. There is a little bit of JavaScript where we're selecting elements, conditions, and loops that are going to be required in order to access the JSON data and make use of it. If you have any questions or comments, I'm always happy to hear from you. And I do suggest that at the end of each lesson, and there are a couple challenges as well in the upcoming lessons, that you do try the code out for yourself. It is the best way to learn is to try and practice the code, run it within your own browser, see the code in action for yourself. So I know you're excited to get started, so let's dive right in and start coding and using JSON in our web applications.